Jai Hind to all. Myself Dr. Nilesh Kumar Gupta. I am working as a professor at Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad in Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. So, today I will continue block course, that is my lecture title is block course part 2, and I have taken this topic from your AK2 subject of 7th semester, that is Information Theory and Coding. Its AK2 code is KEC 075. So, further I will tell you about the block codes here. Last time I discussed about the block codes, what is the meaning of block code, its format, its concept, its representation and so on. Next we will go further in the block code. So, let us recall what I told you. I told you in last lecture about the block codes, its basic concept and so on, and their format structure you can say, an example of the block codes. And we discussed also about the redundant words, code words, parity bits, check bits, input message bits and so on. So, next we can see or we will see here what about the block codes, parameters and so on. So, what I told you in block codes like n comma code block code. So, k is our input information bits that we have taken initially, and from the k information bits we have to generate a block code of n bits. But in this n bits, k bits plus check bits, parity bits or additional bits are also will be there. The role of parity bits is very important in this, because by using these parity bits, additional bits, you can achieve the correctness of the data and you can achieve the error controlling in block code system. So, increasing the number of check bits, parity bits has the effect of increasing the redundancy. So, if you increase the parity, this R bits, check bits, so redundancy always also increases. So, it is very important for us. Now, one parameter, that is the code rate. ये क्या होता है? Code rate is a parameter for the block code that is useful for the measurement of redundancy within a block code. और होता क्या है? It is the ratio of k by n, k and n. It means it is the ratio of number of information bits to the block code word length, and this is called code rate, k by n. Obviously, it is always less than 1, because n हमेशा k से क्या होगा, ज़्यादा ही होगा, कम तो होगा ही नहीं. So, r is equal to k upon n. For a fixed number of information bits, the code rate r tends to 0 as the number of parity bits are increased. जैसे जैसे r बढ़ता जाएगा, n हमारा बढ़ता, n बढ़ता जाएगा k, तो r का हमेशा वैल्यू क्या होगी, कम होती जाएगी. ओके. सो लो कोड रेट्स, सीधी सी बात है, कोड रेट जितना कम होगा रिडंडेंसी उतनी ज़्यादा होगी, उतनी नंबर ऑफ पैरिटी चेक बिट्स ज़्यादा होगी, उतनी रिडंडेंसी ज़्यादा होगी, उतनी कोड रेट की वैल्यू आर की वैल्यू कम होगी. In case of no coding, you are not doing any coding, you are not achieving error control coding, you are not adding any parity or check bits, then n is equal to k और r is equal to क्या हो जाएगा, 1 n by k. यदि कोई पेट मिला ही नहीं तो n बराबर k by n, it means n is equal to k, so r is equal to 1. If you are not doing any coding, कोई coding तुम लोग नहीं कर रहे, so our value of code rate r that lies from 0 to 1. You can say, you can write this, what, your value of r lies between 0 to 1. This you have to keep in your mind. Okay. So, this code rate you can define, you can analyze in terms of redundancy in the system. That depends upon the number of parity or check bits that you are adding along with the input message bits for generating the block code into the system. Now, we can write block code in vector form. So, if I am saying here for a n comma k code, it means n bit वाला कोड वर्ड तुमको ब्लॉक कोड डिजाइन करना है, जनरेट करना है फ्रॉम द के इंफॉर्मेशन बिट्स. द इनपुट टू एनकोडर इन इज द इंफॉर्मेशन वर्ड एंड यू कैन राइट हेयर व्हाट इन वेक्टर फॉर्म में कैसे लिखोगे, आई मतलब इंफॉर्मेशन दैट इज I1, I2, I3 अप टू द IK. Okay. So, this is our information I1, I2 up to the IK k tak. Now, the encoder determines R is equal to n minus k parity check bits. इस I में आपको parity bits भी ऐड करनी पड़ेगी. तो you can determine encoder determines R that is n minus k parity check bits that is P1, P2, P3 up to the PR according to the encoding rule of the code and appends them to the information bits, so giving the code word finally code word of n bits and that code word what in the format vector format क्या होगा उसका, पहले हमारी आएगी I1, I2 up to the IK information bits और उसके बाद क्या आएगा हमारी parity bits P1, P2 up to the PR. So, this will be the vector form of finally code word that we want to design here. So, you can write in the vector form the same concept here. Finally, code word जो आप generate करोगे in this you can generally we are talking about the systematic form. Initially information bits are there of the defined bits and after that our parity bits will be there. That will be our systematic form that generally we consider. After that now okay, so this is the your vector form and block code form that I told you earlier also. Now what we want what we are doing here we are we generally we want to achieve here the error. हम यहाँ पे error को detect और correct करना चाहते हैं because in digital our data is so huge in terms of 1 0. So, the possibility of error are much more here कि 1 की जगह 0 आ गया 0 की जगह 1 आ गया तो पूरा डेटा हमारा गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. भाई 0 0 1 की जगह 0 0 1 0 आ गया तो दोनों में अंतर है ना, एक 1 एक 2 है. ठीक, तो अब एरर का बड़ा रोल है. दैट्स वाई जैसे हमने देखा भी वेक्टर प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ लॉ. अब जैसे हम देखें एरर प्रेजेंटेशन वेक्टर in vector form how you detect the error in terms of pattern and after detecting you can correct. तो at first generally जो codes हैं आपके उससे आप error को detect करते हो. After detecting the you can correct the error. So like मैंने क्या लिखा error representation in vector form. So an n bit code word is liable to a maximum of n errors which can be represented by the error vector or error pattern. So, we can write error pattern in terms of E1, E2 up to the En क्योंकि error pattern तो error जो हम निकालेंगे वो तो n bit का ही आएगा ना, वहाँ पे error साथ में आएगी. Then we can detect and after properly detection you can correct the error. So, you can write where E1, E pattern E1, 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 E2 up to En. Now, this error okay. This error Ej और I is equal to 1 यदि error है तो Ei is equal to 1 मतलब if error is present in ith form of E, ith form E of I is equal to 1, it is equal to 0 whenever no error, कोई error ही नहीं है, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. So, finally, in at the time of error detection and correction, डिटेक्शन यू कैन से जनरली, क्योंकि पहले डिटेक्शन होगा, डिटेक्शन के बाद करेक्टनेस होगी. सो अ कोड वर्ड सी दैट इंक्योर्स एन एरर, जो आपने कोड वर्ड जनरेट किया उसके अंदर एरर रिजल्ट में हो सकती है. तो हमारा जो फाइनल रिसीव कोड वर्ड होगा V, that is equal to C plus E, where the components of V are given by the components of C and E that will be edited pairwise. And generally we are doing the addition here, that is the mod 2 addition. Always remember it. कौन सा होता है? mod 2 addition. Now V is equal to what? V is equal to, V is the combination of C and E. So V is equal to C1 C2 up to the Cn plus E1 E2 up to the En. Now in additive pairwise additive form, C1 plus E1, C2 plus E2 up to the Cn plus En. You can write it, okay, in this form, and V1 V2 up to the Vn. So finally that we are generating from the error pattern, that is the in terms of additive form C and E in this, okay. And this here what is addition करेंगे वो mod 2 addition होगा, ये हमेशा ध्यान रखें. Vj is equal to Cj plus Ej, and generally we are using the mod 2 addition. Mod 2 addition means same bits result will be 0 if we add in the, and the 1 and 0 and 0 1, if you add by mod 2 then it will be equal to 1. That you have to keep in your mind always, because in error control coding हमेशा addition simple नहीं mod 2 होता है, XORing होती है. For mod 2 addition मतलब क्या देखें, if you add 0 and 0 and 1 and 1, this one, so always your output will be 0. If you add 0 and 1 and 1 and 0, output always will be 1. This is mod 2. So let's, we are taking two bits B1 and B2, okay. So B1 plus B2 is equal to 0 if B1 बराबर क्या हो, B2, and B1 plus B2 is equal to 1 हमेशा होगा mod 2 में XORing you can say, if B1 is not equal to B2. So this is our mod 2 addition or XORing between the number of bits, two number of bits. If error is 0, so E is equal to 0 and V is equal to C, होगा ये तो सीधा, और यदि error होगी तो V is equal to C plus E, या C XORing E. Then we can determine the exact received code word with V. If an error correcting code, the decoder has to estimate a guess of vector from V. मतलब यदि डिटेक्टर ने estimate कर ली E, error यदि है तो that will be V is equal to C XORing E, that you can estimate. Now we are coming for single parity check codes. Single parity मतलब जहाँ पर parity bit एक होगी, parity check bits एक ही होगी केवल. तो जनरली एग्जाम्पल जो हम लेते हैं होते बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं, लाइक 4,3 and 5,4. Like if we see 4,3 even parity code. So here your parity bits is what? 1. 4,3, 3 plus 1, 4. So 4,3 even parity or 5,4 odd parity check codes. So 1 parity bit you can add here. So these are the example of single parity check codes, like 4,3 even parity or 5,3 odd parity block codes. There are a class of error detecting block codes that give the simplest form of error control. The codes use a single parity bit to generate code words with even or odd parity. Even odd parity means what? It means the even or odd number of ones respectively. If I am saying even parity, so number of one should be even. If I am saying what odd parity, it means number of ones are odd, that we have to keep in mind. So, even parity odd parity ये depend करेंगे number of ones हमारे information bits में कितने हैं. तो 4,3 सिंगल पैरिटी चेक कोड्स का एक एग्जाम्पल है, that is 4,3 even parity single parity check codes. Similarly, 5,4 that is the odd parity check codes. So, single parity check codes means what? You are taking your parity bit equal to 1, that will be either in form of even parity or odd parity. Even odd parity means the number of ones. Okay. For all integer values k is greater than or equal to 1, there exists an n comma k. So, single parity check codes का मतलब क्या होगा? With it means n is equal to क्या होगा? K plus 1. K is information bit, input bits, and 1 is our what? Parity check bit. That's why I am writing here n is equal to k plus 1. Only single parity you are adding here. It can be in the form of even or odd. Okay. Now, a good example also I can take here, single parity check code, that is 8,7 block code. 8,7 means what? Here n is equal to 8 and k is equal to 7. So, 7 input bits से आप 8 bit का code word generate कर सकते हो. तो here your parity bits is what? R is equal to 1. That is why I am calling what? It is single parity check code, because here parity bits only 1. So, 8,7 block code single parity check codes that can be used in ASCII code. ASCII means American Standard Code for Information Intelligence. This is a very popular and generally used code, ASCII code. Generally, ASCII code format uses the 10-bit words to represent the alphanumeric character. Why it is important? Because by this code we can represent alphanumeric characters value. So, different number of characters and values we can represent by this code, that is why it is important. And generally it is represented by the 10-bit words. 10-bit words means 7-bit information की हो गई. First and last bit is for start and stop bits and 1 parity bits. So, 7 plus 1 8 plus 2 10. So, first and last bit that is showing generally for the start and ending. So, start and stop bits. These are not used for error control, because error control में एक parity bit जो है वही use होगी. But it help to achieve word synchronization into the system. So, in this way we can show, we can represent our ASCII code in 10 bits. 7 bits are information bits, 1 bits are parity bits, and first and last bits shows the start and stop bits respectively. Now, by this diagram we can understand here the remaining here 7 information bits, 1 parity bit, because it is single parity check codes, and initially start and stop bits, these are for starting and ending the our code. So, in this diagram what I told you in last PPT, that is clear in this diagram of ASCII format, in which we can represent the 8,7 single parity check codes. Here remaining 8 bits consist of the 7 information bits used to identify a particular character and a parity bit to provide some degree of error control. It means error detection and error correction. And parity bit, it is set to either 0 or 1, okay, depending upon the information bit and parity required. So, in this way we can represent here. Now, another some basic concept that you have to keep in your mind. What? For a n comma k even parity code, with information bits I1, I2 up to the Ik. So, for that even parity code, our parity will be, parity कैसे निकालोगे? So, it will be I1 plus I2 plus up to the Ik. और ये add कौन सा होगा? This is mod 2 addition. Okay. So, in this way we can determine the parity bit. If the information bits contain an even number of ones, मतलब even parity, then P is equal to what? Parity bit यदि even number of ones है, even parity है, so ये parity bit will be equal to 0. यदि नहीं है तो P is equal to 1. Similarly, in reverse and vice versa for odd parity. If odd parity is required, P is equal to I1 plus I2 plus up to the Ik, and this is our what? Mod 2 addition plus 1. In this also, if information bit is odd, if number of ones क्या हमारे odd हैं, तो क्या हो जाएगा? P बराबर 0, otherwise it will be equal to 1. So, similarly, finally जो code word design होगा in single parity check codes, वो क्या होगा? That will be C is equal to I1, I2 up to the Ik and single parity bit. That depends upon the our code that we are designing, we are generally we are achieving here. So, in this lecture I told you about the block codes. Okay. Block codes, generally I concentrate on single parity check codes. कि single parity check codes हमारे क्या होते हैं, in which only single parity bit you need, like 4,3, 5,4, 8,7. These are the examples generally used for single parity check, जिसके अंदर क्या होता है, parity bit is 1. That would be in either form of odd parity or even parity. So, and the structure, what always you have to keep in your mind, always your structure will be in the form of, if you are designing the code word, always remember it. What? Initially your information bits will come as it is, that you transmitted from the transmitter, I1, I2 up to the Ik. After that your parity bit will come. Now, if I am talking about a single parity check code, only one parity will be there, parity bit will be there. It will be either 0 or 1, depends upon our code. And from the single parity check codes, you can detect the some degree of error, you cannot correct the error. तो इस कोड से हम एरर को डिटेक्ट ही कर सकते हैं, एक बिट की एरर या 2 बिट की, बस अधिक से अधिक, बट यू कैन नॉट करेक्ट द एरर. So, this is from my side for this lecture. These are the references that you can opt for studying this title. Thank you very much.